be showing me out. Girl, give me the wig piece. Girl.
Hey, get her a wig
Give me
piece.
the wig piece.
Hey,
Let me get that wig piece, man. You know what I'm saying? I want to be the only primate in this cage with the luxurious wig piece. I'm gonna be standing out in the crowd. Girl, give me the wig piece. You don't appreciate your wig piece? Let me get that wig piece. Hand over the wig piece, man. Just give it up, man. You know what I'm saying? Hey, man, back up, man. Hey, man, put your shirt back on, man. Don't you ever disrespect me with that 65% cotton, 35% polyester assault weapon. You know what I'm saying? And while you're at it, girl, give me the wig piece. What do you think you're doing, man? Let me get that wig piece. Let me get that.
Please subscribe.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Dave Natch, and I speak stocks. Today is Money Making Monday, July 18th, and in today's video, I have two plays for you. Two plays, but before I go into the plays, let me delve into Friday's recap of the overall markets. The Dow rallied up 2.15% on Friday to close at 31,288. The markets are looking strong. The Nasdaq, they closed up 1.79% at 11,452. The Nas. Apple spiked 1.15% to close at $150.17. No resistance at $150. Apple. The big winner, yes, the big winner on Friday, Dave's Play, USEA. The stock closed up a whopping, an eye-popping, an epic 175% to close at $6.07. The high of day was $7.39. The stock opened up at $4.30 and never look back. The volume on Friday was 104 million, compare and contrast to their average volume of 23 million. USEA. Please sit tight for Dave's Play. Do remember, if you wish to open a trading account, check out my Webull link below. You will get some free stocks. Minimum deposit required is a penny, just a penny. Also, pre-market hours trading starts at 4 a.m. sharp. 4 a.m. sharp with Webull. Webull only, the way to go. Pre-market hours trading is very risky. It's not for the risk averse. Dave's Play today is a MT play. Medium term hold. Okay? The first one is QD. QD is up 63% thus far in the pre-market, sitting at $1.94. The high of day thus far in the pre-markets for QD is $2.31. If this one retracts below 128, this might be a no-go today. Okay? There's news. News came out. Go ahead and read up the news on your own time, your own term. This one is in the credit services sector. Headquarters out of China. And you know the Chinese stocks has a propensity to spike for days. This one is a medium-term hold. The numbers are looking pretty decent. But please take this with a grain of salt. You know that the Chinese stocks are riddled with fraud. There's no other way to say it. Be careful. Let's kick the tires. They were a market cap of 300 million. They have 188 million in the float, okay? 7% of the float are held by insiders. 25% of the float are institution and shorts as 1% of the float, okay? Their operating margin is a positive 39%. Their ROA, return on asset, is 2.22%. Their revenue is 1.2 billion. Let me repeat that. Their revenue is 1.2 billion with a B. Their revenue per share is 5.02. Their gross profit is sitting at 1.4 billion. 1.4 billion in gross profit. This is QD, Dave's Play today. Their EBITDA, earnings before interest, taxes, depreciation, and amortization, is a positive 515 million. They have a total cash in hand of a whopping 8.28 billion with a B. 8.28 billion in cash and a total debt of 645 million. This is QD. Their total cash per share is 32.64. 32.64 total cash per share, okay? Their current ratio is sitting at a respected 21.81 current ratio. This one won't be going bankrupt any day soon. Let's jump right into Dave's bonus play. Dave's bonus play today is also a MT play, medium term hold. HKD is up 40% in the pre, sitting at 22.70 after closing up 108% on their stock market debut. This one is a new IPO on Friday. The stock closed at 16.21 on Friday in their debut. HKD. This one is in the software app space, headquarters out of Hong Kong. Let's get the tires. They have 19 million in the float. This is HKD. 146% of the float are institutions. Their profit margin is a positive 91%. Their operating margin is a positive 64%. Let me repeat, their profit margin. Their profit margin is a positive 91%. HKD, okay? Their ROA, return on asset, is 2.35%. And their ROE, return on equity, is a positive 8.24%. ROA and ROE is what the company is making on their money, okay? Their interest on their money. They're making money already. Their revenue is 196 million. Their revenue per share is 1.48. Their quarterly revenue growth is up 47% year over year. This is HKD, Dave's bonus play today. Their gross profit is 148 million. Their EBITDA is a positive 130 million. Let me repeat that. Their EBITDA is 130 million. Their net income is 178 million. They have a total cash in hand of 406 million, okay? They have zero debt. Their current ratio is sitting at a healthy 19.58, okay? Their operating cash flow is a positive 83 million. Their leverage free cash flow, hear this, a positive 1.1 billion. 1.1 billion leverage free cash flow. HKD. That's all I have for you, ladies and gentlemen. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter, guys, at The Petite, for my stock alerts. In the meantime, in between time, always protect your neck. Always set a stop loss. Do not invest more than you're willing to lose. And whenever you see some profits, take some profits, because now you see them, now you don't. That's all I have. I'll see you on the next one. Dave Natch, I'm out. Boom, bum. Make your next trade your best trade. All right, thank you for watching. Dave Natch, I'm out.